Hi guys, welcome. Welcome back to Hadassah Inspires. We have Elon and Indica Grace. Say hi guys. Today we are going to do a song by Gabriel Henrique. I want to know what love is. And Elon is going to join in with us. Are you ready, Elon? Yeah? Okay. We'll see. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you never miss a beat. All right, here we go.
Gotta take a little time to think this over. I better read between the lines in case I need it when I'm colder. Hey, in my life, there's been hurt and pain. I don't know if I can face it again. Can't stop now. I will travel so far to tell this lonely life. How would I know love is?
All right, so the beginning of it sounded strong. It's okay. It's okay. But yeah, he did pretty good for the beginning of the song. So let's dive into the next part. It's kind of soft as he started to go into the chorus, but let's see what he has. Ready, Elon?
How would I know love is? I want you to show me. I wanna feel love is. I know you can't show me. Hey, I gotta tell you.
So what'd you think about that part? Because I thought it was kind of soft. Don't hate me, but I'm just giving my honest opinion. I was expecting more, a little bit more oomph with it. But yeah, let's keep going.
Take a little time to look around me. I've got nowhere left to hide. It looks like love has finally found me. Oh, in my life, there's been heart and pain. I don't know if I can face it again. Can't stop now. I will travel so far. You take this lonely life.
Okay, so he's starting to get into it. I like that. He is starting to get to it. Let's go back just a little bit before the choir sings in. Choral Black to Black. I appreciate them being in this song. But let's hear it. I like as he's getting into it more now. The choir is getting into it. So let's continue to listen to the song. All right, Elon, here we go.
I want you to show me. I want to feel what love is. Feel what love is.
one octave. That was good. And he got into it with the choir. That was good too. Let's keep going. Elon seems to like it. He's putting in his 2 cents. Yeah? All right, here we go. Okay, hold on a second. He kind of sounds like a whistle. How he's just going so high, but he just took off with that. I guess I really wasn't expecting him to come off with that note, but he did. So let's keep going. You ready to finish this out, Elon? Yeah? All right, here we go. Back to here. All right, so what did you think of that one? My reaction might have been kind of crazy, but Elon kind of got into it, didn't you, Elon? Yes? All right. So if you have a song that you want me to react to, just buy me a coffee and I can move you to the top of the list. The link is in the description. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you never miss a beat. This is Hadassah from Hadassah Inspires, and as always, have a great day. Say bye, Elon.